how to fix Roblox not launching problem. So if you're facing a problem with Roblox not launching, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search and then go with remove programs. Once you're under the add or remove programs, you just need to simply search for the app, which is Roblox. And you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with uninstall. And you need to uninstall the Roblox application. Once you uninstall, you need to go with your browser, and then you can launch your Roblox on your browser, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go with the browser, and then you can search for install Roblox, and then you can install the Roblox from browser, or you can go with Microsoft Store. If it is available, you can go and install that. Once you've installed, your problem might be fixed. You can log into your account. But if that doesn't, then right click on your Windows and go with run. And under run, you need to enter percentage app data percentage, and then hit the enter, and then go with the app data, which is here in the upper middle, and go with local. Under local, you will have Roblox, so you just need to simply go with Roblox. So once you find Roblox, you just need to simply open up your Roblox folder, and then you need to go with versions, and under versions, you need to make sure that you have the latest version, or you can simply update your Roblox. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. And after that, you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, you can launch your Roblox and it will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.